A very good morning to my dear students. In earlier class we have read that business activity has two parts, industry and commerce. In yesterday's class we have done that part industry. So today we will study about commerce. Commerce is a wide term. It is concerned with buying, selling and distribution of commodities, and it is an organized system for exchange of goods and services in between the businessmen and the customers. It is also concerned with the marketing aspects of business, that is, supply of right time, right type of goods to the right persons at the right time and at the right price. So, commerce is divided into two parts, trade and aids to trade. Commerce refers to all those activities which helps directly or indirectly in the distribution of goods to ultimate consumer. There will be no use of producing goods unless and until these goods reach the ultimate consumer. So the sum total of all those activities which are involved in the removal of hindrances in the process of exchange of goods. Now, the commerce segment of business activities is very much important. Commerce is considered as the backbone of industry. Here, a new question arises: why commerce is considered as the backbone of industry? Children, it is just due to the functions of commerce. So, what are the functions of commerce? Here are some functions of commerce. First, commerce helps in removing the hindrance of person. It refers to the lack of contact between the producers and customers. The trade segment of commerce creates a link between producers and consumers. Traders helps in exchange of goods or services from the producer to consumer, and hence it removes the hindrance between the producers and consumers. Second is helps in removing the hindrance of place. Goods are produced at one place, whereas consumers are scattered in different corners of the country. There is a place gap between the producers and consumers. The transport segment of commerce helps in removing the place gap. It moves goods from the place of production to the markets, which are easily accessed by the customers. Third function helps in removing the hindrance of risk. As we have read in the last class, remember characteristics of business. The last characteristic is element of risk. So there is risk in every business. Goods and properties of business are subject to various risks such as fire, theft, damage, etc. So commerce removes this hindrance by means of insurance. Insurance companies provides a coverage for all types of losses of goods suffered by the businessmen. Fourth function is helps in removing the hindrance of time. As you all know that some goods are produced in a particular season only but are demanded throughout the year. For example, wheat, rice, pulses, etc. On the other hand, some goods are produced throughout the year but are demanded in a particular season. So there is a time gap between the production and the consumption, as the production is carried out in anticipation of future demands. So it becomes necessary to store the goods until they are sold. This problem can be solved by the warehousing. The goods can be kept safely in the warehouses. Next function is removal of hindrance of knowledge. Consumer and buyer are unaware about the new goods produced by the manufacturer, as there is no direct communication between manufacturer and the consumer. So knowledge of customers about the products and services offered by business organization is a major problem in business. So advertising helps in the removal of hindrance of knowledge among the buyers by spreading the awareness about the new products and their utility. Last function is helps in removing the hindrance of finance. The goods and services produced by the manufacturer are sold to the buyer in exchange of money. So, the problem of finance can be handled by banks which form a part of commerce. It also helps the businessman in exchange of money between different persons at different places. So these are the functions of the commerce, and you can also say the role of commerce. Due to these functions only, commerce is called the backbone of the industry. So again, there is an assignment for you which is based on the today's topic. Do it. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you.